enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya, you're not making money.
What grade are you?
Like in school?
Jiu-Jitsu sorcerers are ranked in grades from 4 to 1.
Yeah, but I only started at Jiu-Jitsu high school this week.
Ugh, forget it. Show me your student ID. The one you got from that dumb blindfolded guy.
Okay, here you go.
Well, if you just joined, you're probably a grade 4. Special grade? Special grade is even higher ranking than grade 1.
Yuta, do you hate him?
Yes, I loathe him.
Then I will hate him too.
Big ass Glock in the can with a switch. Nigga dissing on Mac, get left in the ditch. 762 there, go through the brick, but I'm busting the Glock when I go on the hit. I'm smoking on Ace, get tired of this nigga. Tell the big brother, come slide for this nigga.
Слышала? Знаешь, ты Шариков.